Ice skating rink is not doing good. Max heat. Say hello to my little friend. Are you ready? All right, good morning, guys. Ice rink update. The kids broke through it last night. Ellie, all right, that's okay.
On it.
With the little scraper thing. Yeah, so we snapped through it. It's pretty sturdy still, but
Look, it won't go through.
we need to figure out a way to fix this, right?
It won't go through.
It's way sturdy right here, and it's slippery, but we need to fix this piece and get some ice skates. All right, April, it finally happened. My drone came in the mail. I knew you'd be so excited.
I already have like 3 drones.
Like I always say, you can't have too many drones. This is the Mavic Pro. You want to see the new drone?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look how little it is. That is so cool. Oh, it's not yours. It's still mine.
No, not.
That's mine. I promise. That's what I wanted.
Alright, I went through my jammies and decided what things to get rid of.
No, not the moo-moo. What? You're so beautiful in it.
We're done having kids, so I don't want to tempt you. The lingerie has to go.
Honey, how are you gonna seduce me? Wow.
Alright.
Wow.
Dropping the move.
We are done having kids for sure then if that's gone. You guys, look how small this drone gets. It goes in this nice little carry pack. How cool is that? Isn't that neat?
Okay, so quick update. We thought these chairs were absolutely beautiful. They're very heavy. Oh, he's humming. They're super, super heavy, and we were having a hard time like getting them in and out with the rug and everything. And then on top of that, it was the slant on the back of it. Be nice to Evie. Made it so you couldn't really open this. Like it was kind of just would come into this space. So I wasn't loving them in this space, but Molly hurried and quick found these little things to replace them. And I think it's great. And I actually love that you can see more of this area back here too.
Oh my goodness, who's that? I'm cracking up. We just put this mask on Ender and immediately he goes. He's walking all careful.
Everyone be quiet.
Shh, listen to Darth.
Here's breathing. Hold still. Everyone don't move. Don't move.
Oh, skate. So I've got my batteries charged and I think we're gonna try to take it for its first flight. And we have a firmware update. Okay, ice skating rink is not doing good. It kind of warmed up a little bit. It's not.
Ellie broke it.
It's getting above freezing, so.
Ellie broke it and then it froze up.
I think it's supposed to get colder again, so hopefully we can do some ice skating on this, but it's not working out so well right now. All right, we'll have to finish that up later. The update wasn't working, so off to gymnastics. Andrew, you all done with gymnastics? Let me see. Whoa. Who gave you that?
My teacher.
Your teacher gave it to you?
Yeah.
All right, we ran out of gymnastics. Me and Elizabeth, we needed to get some a blowtorch, right, EB? Huh? She's very excited about it. So we're at the Home Depot. All right, Elizabeth, we're going with max heat. We need the maximum heat. That sound good? Yeah? All right, let's do it. And Cafe Rio for dinner. And EB's doing the sideways look. Do it again, EB.
Ender, what are you doing?
Gymnastics.
Are you a scientist?
He's a magician.
Magic? Wait, how are you doing that?
I don't know.
Show me again.
It's money like Simon.
Like Simon, the waiter from the Disney cruise?
Yeah.
You have a magnet magic. Oh my goodness.
How'd you do that?
I don't know.
You're magic like Simon?
Yeah.
Do you miss Simon? I do.
Where's my machete?
Uh-oh. I just broke it. Oh, never mind.
Where is my machete?
I don't know where your machete is.
You know
What
the
you
one
yelling
I keep
about?
to guard against intruders?
It's usually under our... Oh, I know where it is.
And her sing me a song.
Oh, what's happening? Is that how you're brushing?
Now I
Oh, no, leave
know
it in.
my ABC. Hello, Darth Vader in a Christmas sweater. Alright, so we just got back from Mexico. I got a big sombrero and I thought, why not heat up my machetes? You're breathing loud, Darth Vader? Do you have to do that? And I thought, why not heat up my machetes to 1,000 degrees? You're actually breathing loud again? Why not heat up my machetes to 1,000 degrees? Let's cut some stuff open. Say hello to my little friend.
I don't like this.
Okay, first, audible.
I think you cut it. Well, it's metal. What were you thinking was gonna happen? That's Davey in the house. Oh, you got the GoPro going too? We're not cutting the hat yet.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Luke, I am your
Oh. Toxic you.
Okay.
Open the garage.
You're not my father. Okay, not done. Okay.
Whoa. Whoa. Well, that can start a fire, just so you know. That's a cool burn mark. Pretty. Like a tulip, honey.
Cute. Our microwave, I think we need to cut it. What do you think, Zayd?
I think it might
What do you
be
think? Should I just
cool.
try to go right into the glass?
I don't know, like cut the button first. That's kind of plasticky. Let's do that. It'll be so
Okay.
cool.
Well, I think that you were gonna have to unplug it to do that. Why don't you just try going right from the top?
Set the timer for 3 minutes. Go on, set the timer for 3 minutes.
It stinks really bad. Okay, I'm done. I'm going inside. I want to get poisonous
Wait, I
gas.
gotta go through the glass one time. Yeah, I'm doing the tip. Film the last thing. I'm going through the tip. Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
This is a lot funnier than I thought it would be. Oh, there's fire happening right now. Okay, that's not. Oh, okay, Davey, that's enough.
Oh, okay, we're okay.
Davey,
You gotta push through it.
no,
It's the
honey.
only way.
Davey, it's a fire. I'm calling it quits right now.
Thank you very much.
Wow.